Bike Ride 2012, an absolutely beautiful day for everyone.
I want to congratulate all of the riders, and I hope that you are going to enjoy all of the activities, certainly before and after your ride today.
I think there's always a little bit of rivalry with certain sort of business groups. Once you get out there, they want to try and beat each other. So, yeah, but it was good fun.
She was going to try the 53k next year, but 3k's into the 10k she went, no.
And we're a family team. I've got my sister Kathy, I've got all of my in-laws, I've got my good friend Colin.
Team this year is about 85 riders, and we'll end up having raised about $25,000. We just sort of encourage staff and clients just to get out and do something together as a team and something for the community at the same time.
It keeps growing every year, 4,500 people, and so the money goes towards really good charities. It brings so many people together, and you can have a chat to someone, ride around the river, but know you're doing some really good in the community at the same time.
It's just fantastic that over 4,000 West Australians today are participating in the Santos Great Bike Ride. Whilst the healthcare supports every need they want, these little extras that young people need, music lessons, driving lessons, the sorts of things that help young people get through life and reach their potential is what this is all about.
Making sure you don't have heart disease, so doing everything possible to make sure people are aware of what the right things to do, which is, like an event like this, being physically active will reduce your chances of heart disease.
So today we have 190 children in our school in Ethiopia. The Great Bike Ride adds tremendous value to what we do, and every year if we can put another classroom on, I see a great future for Ethiopia and hope for children.